Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport check transmission fluid messages or prompts and provides a general overview of situations where the vehicle may indicate that transmission fluid attention is needed. This topic is discussed as an informational condition related to transmission operation, fluid level awareness, or service reminders rather than a single confirmed fault. The explanation remains general because transmission design, monitoring methods, and service requirements can vary by model year, transmission type, mileage, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, prompts or guidance to check transmission fluid are typically associated with maintaining proper transmission operation rather than indicating immediate failure. In some situations, such indications may appear during specific operating conditions such as temperature changes, driving load, or after certain service intervals. Older generations may follow different inspection or service procedures compared to newer models due to design updates or changes in service strategy, while newer versions could still display similar guidance depending on usage and prior servicing. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, transmission fluid-related checks are usually performed as part of routine inspection or diagnostic procedures rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve confirming fluid condition or level according to manufacturer guidance, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified concern is identified. Driving conditions and maintenance practices can influence when such checks are recommended. In conclusion, indications to check transmission fluid in the Ford EcoSport can differ depending on vehicle generation, transmission configuration, and operating conditions. Understanding that these prompts are informational and vehicle-specific helps ensure appropriate evaluation and avoids unnecessary conclusions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.